Hello, everyone. Welcome to travelplanet.me. When does travel truly begin? Is it with the stunning Instagram photo or the captivating travel blog? Most travel tools focus only on booking, but what about the initial spark of inspiration? Introducing Palette, your early stage travel companion. We believe that travel starts with the first spark, that first dream. Palette enables you to consolidate and organize your travel inspirations, ensuring that when Wanderlust hits, you're ready to transform those inspirations into unforgettable experiences. After the initial spark of Wanderlust, the journey often hits a roadblock, planning. While travelers save countless inspirations across platforms, a significant 33% of travelers never act on these saved inspirations. This not only underscores the inefficiencies of current travel planning methods, but also the brief frustration or missed experiences. While the majority of digital tools offer pieces of the travel puzzle, they often don't provide a complete solution. This led us to ask, how can we seamlessly connect these scattered inspirations to actionable plans? Next, Ari will talk about how we solve this.
Number one, you want to make an account. Two, we want to add the inspirations. We'll show you how to do this. You can upload photos and or links in the form of YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And lastly, we're going to create a new trip. As MVP, or minimum viable product, we have a collection of inspirations and we plan on building more from there, but also sharing a public link to your friends and family. Next, let's go into the demo.
So let me take you to a virtual trip. So we have signed in. These are our already saved inspirations. So here we will click and add the title of our choice. So let's take Fox Village in Japan, and then we have Tokyo, Japan, and then let's also add our link that we want to remind us like what are the things that we can do over there, and also put the details which will help us to identify what we are going to do over there, cultural experience, and we can have that other attraction, tourist attractions places, and let's save our inspiration. So this is so easy to do, and let's search our lost inspiration village, and let's see we get it or not. Yeah, here is our inspiration. So now let's create one trip in which we can add our inspiration. So our trip is to Tokyo, and that is in Japan. And now we need to have a date, like suppose Sunday, and then to which date? So let's suppose to Sunday. And now let's save the trip as well. Now we have created the trip as well. So let's see. So here is our trip. Now we can add our inspiration to the trip. So we have the choices. We can select whatever trips we want to add to our inspiration. So let's for the sake of, let's take this two and this add it to our inspiration. And here you can see that we have successfully added these trips, inspirations to our trips. And that's all I need to say. Over to you, Ritesh.
There.
Okay. So, so let's now talk about the tech stack we have used. So for backend, we have used Node.js and Express.js, and for storing the data, we have used MongoDB as database. And for building the front end, we have used React.js and Chakra UI. Now let's get back to Martin for the future scope of the product.
At Palette, our journey is ongoing. We're committed to refining our platform, ensuring we always align with our users' evolving needs. Here's a glimpse into our roadmap. The next step that we will continue is itinerary planning, where we will implement drag and drop inspirations onto customizable travel itinerary templates for effortless planning. Now I'd like to formally introduce our team. My name is Martin, the product manager. We have Ari, the product designer, Murari, the front-end developer, and Ritesh, our back-end developer. In our journey with Palette, 3 insights truly shaped our approach. First, scope adjustment. Second, clear communication. And lastly, simplicity is key. These lessons have been pivotal, reminding me that being a PM is all about adaptability and understanding.
User testing feedback showed a drastic contrast from the two interviewees with our high-fidelity prototype. One praised it while the other one felt it needed much more work for the usability needs, showed the importance of addressing diverse user perspectives and needs when it comes to traveling. By conducting further research, we carefully iterated the design to enhance its functionality by introducing a left-hand navbar. Additionally, utilizing project management tools like Notion was crucial in meeting weekly deadlines and ensure positive progress in the CoLab program. Next to you.
Developing a product from the scratch, and like what are the challenges that one face while developing based on the user expectations and the product designer, as well as the designer who has given us the Figma file, and we need to translate it to the front end of design, and also integrating those APIs and other stuff. So this has gave us a lot of opportunity where we could communicate our thoughts and develop the project. So this was all. Over to you, Ritesh.
For me, the three things I have learned from this journey, that like gaining diverse perspective of different team members and mastering the remote teamwork. And the third one is like I learned how to transform a theoretical solution into a product, and understanding every steps and process involved in the product development.
Continue to follow us on travelplanet.me.